Hello guys, this is Vishal and welcome to my channel called Programming World. So today we are going to cover test cases section of Tosca. So in our previous session we created all the modules which will be required for our test cases. So if you have not gone through my previous session, I have provided the link on the I button. I would request to go through it first before moving ahead. So let's start. I will just launch my Tosca commander for you. So this is my Tosca commander. As you can see, these are the modules which we created in our earlier sections. So now we are moving to the test cases section here. As you may be knowing that in our earlier session, we created one simple tree structure for this demo. So basically the test cases are a series of test steps that run from a defined starting point to a defined ending point. So this is the folder which I have created, first test set, and inside this I have created one more folder called vehicle insurance. So let's start with the test case creation. So what I will do, I will just move this module section in such a way that we can see test cases and module section side by side. So as you can see, this is our test case section and this is our module section. So in our previous session, we saw that this is the sample application which has been provided by Tricentis Tosca, which is for vehicle insurance application. So the first thing what we have to do is we have to click on the automobile link. Just move to the Tosca commander. Here you can see we created a module here which is having an automobile link. Just select this module and drag into this test case folder. So as you can see, the new test case has been created here. So I will just rename this test case as automobile. So after clicking on the home page, we have to fill the vehicle data. So I will just select and drag it here. So after filling the vehicle data, we have to enter insurance data. I am just dragging here. After entering the insurance data, I have to enter product data, and after entering the product data, there is a price which is getting displayed based on the configuration which we did. So I am just going to pull these 5 components as of now, and I will close this module section. Now this is our test case. So what we have to do is we can just extend all these steps which we have pulled from the module section. And then we have to provide values here. For example, if you want to click on any button or link, there are 2 ways you can do. You can just select this click from this drop down, or else you can just type X. So I will quickly fill up all this data. So I will just fast forward this video now. So as you can see, till product data step, I have filled all the data which was required. I have filled all the dummy data here. And for selecting the price option, I will add one verification. Say first row, last cell, I want to verify the value displayed is 1235.00 or not. So basically I know that I have entered this dummy data and the value is not going to be equal to 1235. Okay, and this test case is going to fail. But for demo purpose, I am just entering this dummy value here. Also, as you can see, there were some checkboxes available for selecting the hobbies such as speeding, bungee jumping, cliff diving, skydiving and other. So in that case, the value can be true or false. So I have selected bungee jumping as true. Similarly, for Euro and legal defense insurance, there will be a values true or false since those are the check boxes. So as I said, for clicking the button, you can just put X or you can select value as click. So that is how you create test cases based on the modules which has been created in module section. So that's it in this session. In next session, we are going to see how to run these test cases with the help of execution or execution list. So if you are having any queries related to the test case creation, please feel free to drop a message in comment section. I will see you in next session. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Programming World.